Okay, so here we have the new Kailh X switches. These are mechanical switches for laptops. There's basically no information about these. Like if you try to search for Kailh X, all you're gonna find is these Novel Keys X Kailh switches, which is a totally different product. It's really bad SEO. But anyway, the only place you can find these right now is on AliExpress, at least from a retail standpoint. And like the only keycaps also are the first party ones from Kailh's official AliExpress storefront. So now if you go on their AliExpress page, there's two variants. You got the browns and you got the blues, and those are just corresponding to the regular, like what you would expect browns and blues to be like. Currently they don't have a lot of options. Like they come in packs of 7, 28, 56 or 84, but the 84 packs are all sold out, and who knows if they're gonna come back in stock. Now, like if you go on Kailh's website, you can find a couple more variants, but those are only available in for wholesale purchase. But the other variants have some different properties, but they're not well documented. So I might have to like just buy them and then become a wholesale seller and actually document them. And like they always have like if you go on the different wholesale listings and then you go on Kailh's website, they have completely conflicting product information, so who knows. They actually have some thinner and thicker variants. It's not just the colors, they're actually different physical designs, and some of them are even they have chalk heads. They're basically just chalks but slimmer, I guess, so you can use more keycaps. You have more keycap options available. So yeah, when I finish what I'm doing with these, I might also sell the switches too. Anyway, that's it for now. Stay tuned because I'm gonna make another video explaining what I'm actually gonna do with these.